makeup now, and I am doing a fast forward, slow forward. I don't know if you call it like that, but I am just loving so much, and I'm going to use this one more without too much foundation, just to give like a dewy glow, a nice glow. It's perfect. So I'm gonna put here a little bit of sheen, and I need to get some more. This is all, maybe this is a little bit too much, but it's working so well. And my little mirror, yeah, this mirror is perfect. See how wonderful this is? It doesn't give you that crease. That's beautiful. Who wants those creases and all that? I don't want it. And this is good for my age. Really, really nice. And then, oh, it looks really cool. I like it. I really do. And it gives that fresh face look. So you don't need really put anything much on your face. So let's go to the faster route and finish this whole thing. My eyes, and then we're gonna go to the blusher, bronzers. Go with the bronzer and wait, Monty. No, always. No, Monty. No, Monty. I just got Monty with my little. I lost so many of these because of little Monty. I'm not allowing him anymore to do it. Anyway, so let's go to the bronzer. I don't want to do too much of the bronzing, but I also want to do too much of the bronzing because of the weather. Oh my gosh, it's going to be, they say it's going to be 32, and can't wait to wear sunny dresses and all that. I just can't wait because it's so nice to wear all these cute little dresses. This is what I'm doing around here because I have a very narrow, long face, as you must have noticed already. And around here, let's do something around here too, but more around here. But what's helping a lot, and I'm not kidding, is the way I am applying my foundation. It's really, really, to mix that dewy one, this one, it's not a sponsored video whatsoever. The dewy one, Luminex from Wet n Wild, it's a must. It's a must because it's really incredible. So let's do this, fix here a little bit. And I got my little companion back with, AKA Monte Cristo. Right, Monty? Monty's being a very good little boy. Anyways, so I did the eyes. I could go back and do a little bit more. And the blush, this blush is so pretty. The color, look at this color. The color is amazing. And I shouldn't be exaggerating that much with the blush, but let's pretend we went to the sun. It's just to give that glow. You went to the sun, and you know, everything looks pretty when we go to the sun. Dress, makeup, the hair, everything just looks beautiful. Well, that's what I think. So we're done with that. We can go back to another round of, yeah, I'm using a lot of this moisturizer as just before I apply my lipstick, which I forgot, and I will pick it up. And let's see something. Yeah, change it here, maybe something like that. Do it more shaggy, baby, shaggy. You like mommy's hair shaggy? I like it shaggy. Anyways, let's see the eyes. We could do a little bit more with the eyes. I'm gonna pick up maybe something, because this is fantastic. This little shadow, the colors are gorgeous. I used this one and this one mixed together. I could use this one. This one's too pink. maybe this one. This brush is amazing. It's a wood brush. It is really incredible. It doesn't harm your hair that much. It's good. I have two of them. I have this flat one. I have the flat one, and I have that little one. So anyways, I guess that's gonna be it. I'm gonna pick up some lips, and I'll be right back. Not lips, maybe lip gloss. Okay, why not go a little bit bold and go for a color like this? Yeah, maybe, why not do it with my fingers? Because, so before I already put that moisturizer, it's gonna help a lot. It's just to give a little color, a little bit more color. I could do my eyes a little bit, but I don't know. What I'm enjoying a lot is my mixture, which is this one or any other foundation that I find. With this one, I have to get more of this back up here. And then this as my concealer. This one also, which is a stick one. It's also amazing, very good. The color is perfect. The bronzer is bought to try. It's amazing. It's the Mega Volume. I can't see any Mega Volume here, but I don't know. Let's put a little bit more. I don't know. No. If I should go for more lashes, I don't need more. I wanted to, okay, less is more anyways. So that's gonna be it for today. That you can just go around for some errands and walk your dog. My little Monty had a haircut. You want to show off your haircut, baby? If you don't know Monty, this is little Monty. He's my little monster in a very sweet way. That's how I call it. It's a nickname. And he is enjoying very much this. It's a very pretty poof. It's an Indian poof. He's enjoying it a lot more than we are. He's the little king of the house. He can do anything he wants because he's our little monster. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's a simple makeup with 2-3 products that it's working a lot better for my skin, for a mature lady's skin. It's not creasing, it's not cakey, it's nothing like that. So that's what you want. You want a makeup that does not make you look older. You want a makeup to make you look fresh, clean, modern, and all that. So hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'm gonna check you out soon because I have some great ideas for jeans that my husband wanted to throw away, and I don't do that because I have some great ideas for his jeans that don't fit him but do fit me. So next video, it's all about jeans, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Hey Monty, good job, baby.